Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. And first, to start off, we're going to do Amazon box openings. And you coming over here? And then after that, we're going to do some cleaning. So here we go. We'll start off. Caleb's right here. Caleb, let's see what this is. Are you excited? It is a Sonic gift card. You like Sonic? What do you like at Sonic?
G-sticks.
G-sticks. Can you say thank you to the person that got this?
Thank you, whoever got it.
Let's see what a note says. Enjoy your gift from Deborah. Can you say thank you, Deborah?
Thank you, Deborah.
All right, now we got another box open in here. Let's set this over here. And we got what it looks like. Don't mess with my camera. Okay, we got a flag. And it's got the Grinch and Teddy's checking it out. All right, no, it's a tree skirt. I'm sorry. Let's see. Trying to find the one that's got the. Here we go. Enjoy your gift from Leanne. Well, thank you, Leanne. We appreciate that. And we're going to definitely use this at Christmas time around the Christmas tree. Because I'm planning on getting a Grinch Christmas tree. And so I'm getting a sock thrown at me, y'all. Caleb's being silly this afternoon. Okay, well, let's go ahead and start with our cleaning. And what I want to do is get the hallway area and all that cleaned up, where the laminate was put down and fixed and all that. And I'm getting a sock thrown at me. You have to overlook that. And so anyway, join me for a little bit of cleaning today. What I'm doing now is sweeping up the hallway where they had fixed the floor and just kind of going through, picking up a few things and sweeping it. Everything's completely done now. Other than painting, I still got to do it myself. And have that done later, as I can, that is. And as I financially have the money to buy the paint. Having what I've done now has been very costly. So I'm just going to take time to be able to buy the paint. So anyways, you can see what the floor now looks like. It's been completed, done. Everything's been fixed. All holes that was in the floor, softened floor, it's been fixed too. Now, I would like to address, I did have a few people mention about, yes, my home's been tested. What does anybody think I'm doing all this work for? I'm just saying. And making a point. So, I'm trying to fix my home, not condemn my home. And so maybe we should start referring this as a mobile home life disaster. Because apparently some people think it is a disaster. You know, even though I have a bad, severe lung infection, I'm still going to use cleaners and clean my home. You know, nobody else is going to clean it but me. And I prefer a clean home. and do the best I can to clean it and fix it and everything. So when some people's kind of saying, well, this is bad on you, this is blah, blah, you know, sometimes we've got to do things that's not perfect on us. And not the best on us. Here I'm cleaning the washer and dryer. It got dusty from being moved out and things, you know, dust in the air from where we had the work done. Because it was right here, my washer and dryer's in the hallway, which I hate, but, you know, what can I do now about it? But I still want to get it cleaned off, too, to get the dust off of it and anything got built up on it. And then next I'm going to go here in the bedroom and start a little work on that. Just kind of sweeping up and, you know, trying to tidy up a little bit. Sometimes I feel like I'm being downgraded by people here on YouTube for fixing up my home. Because it seems like everything I do is not good enough sometimes. That's just honestly how I'm beginning to feel. And yes, I know I have to clean the bed off. And I'm going to do that later on. I had to put some things to the side while we was working on the hallway. And couldn't get in through some things. So this is laundry I just got out of the washer, dryer, and a few other little things here. But yes, just trying to get things tidied up. That's a poster I have. I'm getting ready to take out of my bedroom. At one time, I was kind of more into wanting the poster in my bedroom. Now, I'm wanting something different. So, anyway, yeah. But now what I'm doing is getting ready to sweep and kind of just tidy up in the bedroom a little bit there on the floor so we won't scatter stuff on our shoes or feet or anything and bring it throughout the house more. So just as they was having to cut the laminate and flooring and all that, but it got done. And now we're going to be on to the next adventure after this. And so I hope each and every one of you stays tuned to my channel and subscribes and enjoys my videos so I can get my videos out there a little bit more. I know this video ain't very long tonight. I've kind of had a bad day, so I just wanted to get a little something out there for y'all to enjoy. And because I always try to do a video daily. And of course, I don't think this one's going to be the most popular video, but we'll see.